Welcome to the Ultimate Shaver Showdown. We're comparing the 10 best shavers for sensitive skin and bald heads, pitting Braun against Panasonic and many others. First, let's compare the foil electric shaver against the cartridge razor. The electric foil protects the skin, eliminating cuts but requiring a higher upfront investment. The cartridge provides a close shave, but carries a higher risk of razor burn and higher long-term costs. The Panasonic Arc 5 has a massive 14,000 CPM motor and 5 ultra-sharp blades, offering the closest electric shave, but can be loud and aggressive on the neck. The Braun Series 9 Pro features a 10,000 CPM motor and a 4+1 cutting design. It's incredibly gentle on sensitive skin and operates quietly. For head shaving, the Remington Balder uses 5 flexible rotary heads that contour to the skull and capture clippings inside. The Panasonic Palm, with its premium 5-blade foil system, is extremely maneuverable but can be messy and has a premium price tag. The Gillette SkinGuard cartridge razor uses only 2 raised blades to reduce tugging and actively prevent ingrown hairs, but requires wet shaving prep. The Braun Series 8 electric shaver offers sonic vibrations for a smooth glide, 0 direct blade-to-skin contact, and an impressive 132-minute battery life. The Gillette Fusion 5 has 5 anti-friction blades, providing aggressive, fast-cutting power for thick, coarse hair, but can cause redness on sensitive necks. The Philips S9000 rotary shaver catches hairs growing in all directions and is super quiet, with a slight learning curve for circular motions. For budget options, the Schick Quattro is under $10 and offers a mild, sensitive-friendly daily shave with 4 titanium-coated blades. The Braun Series 3 is a sub-$80 electric option, waterproof for shower use, but lacks the raw power for heavy beards. The Andis Profoil offers absolute zero-gap closeness with gold titanium hypoallergenic foils, making it barber standard for skin fades. However, it is aggressive and lacks a pivoting head. The Gillette Pro Glide, with FlexBall technology pivots to skull contours, is highly forgiving on the scalp, but blade replacements are expensive. Comparing cleaning stations, the Panasonic station uses water-based detergent packets, is cheaper long-term and compact. The Braun station uses alcohol-based cartridges for sanitizing and lubricating, but these cartridges are more expensive, and the station is bulkier. The Braun trimmer features a slide-up mechanism and is only good for basic sideburns. It can be prone to jamming. The Panasonic trimmer has a pop-up mechanism and best-in-class cutting teeth, providing a perfect ergonomic angle and one-pass clean edging, ideal for precise necklines. For shower shaving, the Philips Rotary is 100% waterproof and perfect for blind shower use, but foam can get trapped inside. The Braun Foil is also 100% waterproof, wet-dry, and excels with shave gels, dramatically improving skin comfort and preventing razor burn. The Gillette heated razor simulates a hot towel shave, instantly warming the skin, but is extremely expensive. The Braun Power Case is a premium hardshell travel case with a built-in battery, providing 6 weeks of cordless use and eliminating the need for a wall charger. Regarding long-term costs, cartridge refills cost roughly $150 to $250 annually and create high environmental plastic waste. Electric cassettes only cost $40 to $60 annually, last 12 to 18 months, require no cream, and are eco-friendly. Our dedicated head shaver winners are the Remington Balder Pro, best for speed and ease, providing convenience and clipping containment. The Panasonic Arc 5 Palm is the best premium head shaver for razor close fade, offering manual razor smoothness but with a higher learning curve. The overall winners are the Braun Series 9 Pro for electric shaving, offering flawless sensitive skin protection and 0 razor burn. The Gillette Pro Glide is the manual champion, with multi-pivot contouring and being highly accessible and affordable.